How to add Autotune and voice effects to your TikTok video. If you're filming your own TikTok video, you can add different voice effects to customize your video. To do this, we'll need to create a TikTok video by clicking the plus sign in the bottom center of the app. You can then click the record button to begin recording your video. As we speak, the voiceover is recorded for our video. Once you're done recording your TikTok, click the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll now be brought to the editing screen for your TikTok video. In the top right corner, you'll see various editing options listed, which includes voice effects. This is what you'll click to access voice effects TikTok has to offer. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see various voice options like chipmunk, megaphone, electronic, and more. We're going to choose synth.
The voiceover is recorded for our video.
As you can hear, the voiceover for our video has now been manipulated. And that's how to add Autotune and voice effects to your TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.